Hello friends, welcome to Pacheco TV. On this channel, we invite you to learn about the options you will have in your new travel plans to the Mexican Riviera Maya starting in 2024. Let's see it. In 2018, the President of Mexico, Andrés Manuel López Obrador, proposed the construction of a tourist train in the Riviera Maya. This year, 2024, the Mayan Train is a reality. In the 1990s, a Mexican president buried the passenger trains, but in 2024, the 1,044-kilometer-long Mayan train will offer tourists who visit the Riviera Maya an unforgettable experience, since the Mayan train will be a new option to discover the cultural and gastronomic riches of the Mexican Southeast. The Mayan train will travel through 5 Mexican states: Yucatan, Tabasco, Quintana Roo, Chiapas, and Campeche. A train called Ximbal that will be regular transportation, a restaurant-type train called Janal, and a long-distance train called Patal. The names of the trains are of Mayan origin and mean walk, eat and stay. The Ximbal train, which already operates on a section of the Mayan train route, offers a simple service in comfortable cabins that have Wi-Fi, air conditioning, snack bar, toilets and luggage racks. In the coming months, the dining train called Janal will be integrated into the Mayan train car service. This car will offer typical meals from the Mexican states that the train will travel through. It will be a restaurant train that will allow you to admire the natural beauties of the Riviera Maya, the jungle, and the archaeological remains of that area while tasting the local cuisine. The train named Patal will offer its services for long trips. It will have all the amenities for a comfortable trip and will have cabins to rest in private with beds and private toilet service. This train has not yet been integrated into the Mayan train, but it is expected that by the end of 2024, it will be ready. "42 trains will travel throughout the Mayan train circuit. Travelers will be able to arrive by air to the airports of Cancun, Cozumel, Chetumal, Mérida, Campeche, Palenque, and the new Tulum airport. On your next trip, you can consider visiting beaches throughout the Riviera Maya, water parks, archaeological sites, magical towns, cenotes, and ecological reserves. Consider traveling along 1,554 kilometers through 5 Mexican states with an unmatched cultural wealth. You will have the opportunity to visit cities such as Mérida, Valladolid, Campeche, Chetumal, places of exceptional beauty such as Bacalar, Holbox, Izamal, Champotón, Playa del Carmen, and of course, archaeological remains of the Mayan world such as Palenque, Tulum, Chichen Itza, Calakmul, among others. I recommend you visit the Mayan train website so that you know the train route and can organize your travel itinerary. The Mayan train, throughout its route and stations, has public security in charge of the Mexican National Guard. In case of emergency, you can call lines 088 and 911 in Mexico. The rates of the Mayan train are differentiated for national and foreign users. For example, the cost for visitors from other nations is approximately $168 in regular or tourist service from the Cancun airport station to Palenque, Chiapas. The route is 860 kilometers at a speed that ranges between 120 and 160 kilometers per hour. You can check the updated rates on the Mayan train website. The intermediate stations between Cancun Airport and Palenque, Chiapas are Leona Vicario, Nuevo Chcán, Valladolid, Chichen Itza, Izamal, Tixcocob, Tella Mérida, Umán, Maxcanú, Calquiní, Eselchacán, Tenabo, San Francisco Campeche, Etzná, Carrillo Puerto, Escárcega, Candelaria, El Triunfo, Tenosique, Boca del Cerro, and Palenque. Another route of the Mayan train that will be put into operation soon is from Cancun Airport to Escarcega, Campeche. This route includes stations in the Riviera Maya such as Puerto Morelos, Playa del Carmen, Tulum Airport, Felipe Carrillo Puerto, Limones Chachoben, Bacalar, Chetumal Airport, Nicolas Bravo Conjulich, Xpujil, Calakmul, and Centenario. These stations will complete the Mayan train circuit shown on the map and will operate at the end of February as promised by the federal government of Mexico. In total, the Mayan train will have 34 stations and will interconnect in March 2023 with the Isthmus of Tehuantepec passenger train from the Palenque station with the Mexican states of Veracruz and Oaxaca. With this route, foreign visitors will be able to travel by passenger train through 7 entities in Mexico with fantastic places to visit. In 2024, tourists arriving in Cancun, Tulum, Cozumel, or Merida will be able to organize their trip on the Mayan train to visit places of great Mayan influence such as Chichen Itza, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. In the coming years, it is planned to connect all of Mexico with modern passenger trains, so it will be possible to travel throughout Mexico from the south to the center and from the center to the north of Mexico to the border with the United States. In your next travel plan to Mexico, do not forget to travel on the Mayan train, which has been open to the public since December 2023 in its first 860 of 1,154 kilometers and will soon be operating on the entire route as a new transportation option in the Mayan world. Consult your travel agent or ask for information before booking your hotel about the opportunities to see more places such as beaches, cenotes, archaeological remains, ecological reserves, water parks, and more traveling on the Mayan train. Passenger trains return to Mexico. Subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, leave us a like and comment. Travel and enjoy life. See you soon, friends.
I wish I knew.